Hey everybody, I know a lot of you are Reds fans, but pardon the Chicago stuff today. I want to tell you how to look for vacuum leaks, especially around the air intake. So there's a great big hose here that goes from the air cleaner to the engine, and this great big hose can get cracks in it. It's rubber and soft, and it might be hot, so use a glove or something, but look at the clamp and the clamp area to see if there's cracks or if it's off. You'll see this plastic underneath there if this thing's off. Also underneath the engine cover, you can just lift to get that off, but the throttle body is where it connects again. You can see another clamp. So check that that clamp's tight. Check this thing and squeeze it and see if there's any great big cracks in it. Then make sure you get your engine cover back on. But that's the most likely place that you're going to see a vacuum leak. But as you can see on most engines, there's a ton of other little hoses running everywhere. So little hoses like this are carrying vacuum, little hoses like that, soft rubber ones, not these plastic conduits, but these soft rubber ones. Look for stuff like that's loose. So if you're getting a check engine code that might make you think there's a vacuum leak, or if your car is really sluggish when you open the throttle a whole lot, that could be your problem. So give me a call if you need any more help.